Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the 6 T's formula. So there's like a T on every face. And so let's get started. This is kind of like, this is a medium to short formula. So the first thing you have to do is F2, so the front face 2 times. Next is the right hand side 2 times. Next is the top face, turn it 2 times. Next is the front face, anti-clockwise, so this way. Next is the back face, going this way. Next it's the bottom face, going 2 times. Next the left face, 2 times. Next the front face, clockwise. And the back face this way, this way. And there you go. You have your T's, 6 T's. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye. See you in my next video.